Good day everyone. So I am Bernadette Ford from Activity 2J. So I am here to discuss my session plan. So I'm gonna show you my session plan. So this is my session plan. So in my session plan, you can see sector, qualification title, unit of competency, module, the learning outcomes, introduction, learning activities, and then assessment, teacher self-reflection of session plan. So how do I create the session plan? First, the sector. Where do I get the sector? My sector is automotive electrical assembly sector. So nakuha ko yung sector ko dito sa front page ng TR, which is dito sa may lowest part ng TR, automotive manufacturing sector. So second is qualification title. My qualification title is Automotive Electrical Assembly NC2. Nakuha ko siya dito sa may upper part ng front page ng TR, which is the Automotive Electrical Assembly NC2. Then, my unit of competency and module title ay iisa lang po. Practice Career Professionalism. So, nakuha ko yung aking unit of competency dito rin po sa TR. So, ito po yung aking This is my unit competency. Dito ko po siya nakuha sa Practice Career Professionalism. So now, I'm gonna discuss to you my learning outcomes. I have 3 learning outcomes. The LO1, Integrate Professional Objectives with Organizational Goal. LO2, Sit and Meet Work Priorities. LO3, Maintain Professional Growth and Development. So, nakuha ko po yung mga learning outcomes ko dito rin po sa TR, which is the element. So, the element, ito po yung ginamit ko bilang learning outcomes. Integrate personal objectives with organizational goals, sit and meet work priorities, maintain professional growth and development. So, yan po. Diyan ko po siya nakuha, yung aking learning outcomes. So, now, methods. Yung methods po na ginamit ko ay modular or individual learning, interview, and demonstration for practical skills. So, my presentation is read the information sheet, make an interview, demonstrate. So, practice. Answer self-check 3.1-1. So, 3, kaya po 3 yan kasi dito ko po siya nakuha. Dahil yung aking pong unit of competency ay pangatlo sa TR, then 1 is learning outcome, and then sa learning outcome pa is pang isa po siya sa aking learning content. So, my feedback is evaluate answer to answer key. So, my resources is PPT, laptop, projector. So, my time is 30 minutes. So, same as sa learning outcome number 1 ko po, which is the integrated personal objectives or organizational goal, is I have a 3 learning content: personal development, social aspect, intra and interpersonal development, organizational goals, personal hygiene and practices. So, same lang din po yung methods na ginamit ko. Learning, individual learning, presentation, observation, ganun din po sa presentation, and then sa practice, feedback, and resources din po. So sa time po is 1 hour and 30 minutes. So, mamaya ko po didiscuss sa inyo kung paano ko po nakuha yung aking time. So, learning outcome number 2, sit and meet work priorities. So, sa learning outcome number 2 ko po, which is sit and meet work priorities, I have 3 learning content din po, which is the organizational key result area or KRA, work valued and ethical standard, company practices on the use and maintenance of equipment. So, my methods is same lang din po, modular and individualized learning, lecture, demonstration, ganun din po sa presentation, reading the information sheet. So, yung practice ko po, yun nga po is 3 dahil yung aking unit of competencies pangatlo po sa TR. Then yung 2 po is learning outcome number 2 na siya. Then dash 1, which is the organizational key result. Then my feedback is evaluate the answer to answer key point 3.2/1. Then yung resources ko po is PPT, laptop, projector, 30 minutes din po. So, dako na po tayo sa learning outcome number 3, which is maintain professional growth and development. Sa LO3 ko po, meron din po akong learning content na tatlo. Qualification standard, professionalism in the workplace, gender, the development, or God sensitivity. So, ang methods ko po is modular individualized learning, PowerPoint presentation, examine, film viewing. Yung presentation ko din po, ganun pa rin po. Reading, viewing the PowerPoint, reading the information sheet, and then watch the film. Yung practice ko po is self-check, 3.3-1. Kaya po naging 3.3-1 kasi nga po, ang aking unit competency ay pangatlo sa TR, practice, career professionalism. Then, yung 3 po na pangalawa is LO3. Pangatlo, LO3 ko na po siya. Then, -1 is qualification standard. Nakuha ko po sa learning content. Then, yung feedback ko po is answer the key 3.3-1 yan. Yung resources ko po is projector, laptop, PowerPoint, then yung time. Yung time ko po is 6 hours lang po yung duration niya. So, ako na po bahalang naghati sa bawat learning outcomes. So, ang ginawa ko po, kada learning outcomes is merong 2 hours. Then, sa 2 hours po na yon, hinati ko po yung 2 hours sa tatlo, which is meron po akong 30 minutes sa isang learning content. Then, meron din pong 1 hour sa isa. Then, meron din pong 30 minutes para po sumakto siya ng 2 hours kada learning content or LO. Same lang din po yan sa LO2 and LO3. Then, sa assessment plan ko po, written test, performance test, and demonstration test. So, that's all my presentation about my session plan. So, thank you very much.